What's up guys, Vittorio from Eibach, and this is our very first weekly recap video. We start the week off by filming a video on how to adjust our Pro Truck Lift System Stage 1 for the Bronco. This system is a great budget-friendly solution if you're looking for something adjustable for your Bronco. The video should release sometime next week. As for new products, we just released the Pro Kit and Anti-Roll Kit for the VRZ and GR86. This kit lowers your vehicle by minus 1.2 inches up front and minus 1 inch to the rear. Pair this with our two-way adjustable anti-roll bars and you've got a great setup for spirited driving. Another new product we just released is the Pro Lift Kit for your 2019 to 2021 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. With this kit, you can gain an additional 1.1 inch up front and you have the option to level out the vehicle with our 1-inch lift lock. Moving on, we visited our friends at KTM and Husqvarna as they test for this weekend's race at Angel Stadium. You may know us for our springs and shocks for cars and trucks, but if you didn't know, Eibach has a wide variety of springs for motorcycles as well. You should see more from our Eibach Moto product line soon. We finished the week by testing the 2022 RJR Pro R4 Ultimate out in the desert. We validate our Pro UTV spring systems by running through a set course and comparing data, listening to driver feedback, and making adjustments accordingly. These adjustments could be something as simple as adjusting the crossover ring to changing the length and rate of the springs. The end result is an optimized setup for your stock shocks, no revalving required. Thanks for watching our weekly recap, and if you're going to be at Johnson Valley next week, I'll see you there.